Hello friends, my name is Dr. Darshan Imle and I am an experienced trainer and professional with a demonstrated history of working in corporate and education industry. I am skilled in R, Python, Advanced Python, data analytics, machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning right up to TensorFlow 2.0 followed by statistics using Excel and Tableau. I can also train on subjects like C, C++, Java, automata theory, etc. I hold more than 10 years of experience in this field. Now, coming on to my area of expertise, I am also associated with some of the institutes like BK Birla as a distinguished visiting faculty where I teach machine learning and data analytics in Excel and R. I am also associated with Board Infinity as a machine learning and a Tableau trainer. Apart from that, I have conducted workshops at various colleges in the field of machine learning. Now, coming on to the topic. Now, the topic that we are going to discuss today is the differentiation between the list and tuples. Now, friends, before going to list or tuple, let us try to understand what is basically a list or a tuple. Both of them are simply a collection of objects. For example, maybe your mother asked you to bring certain items from the grocery shop. So, what is going to be that which you'll be having with you? You'll be having a list of items, and exactly that list of items as you have with you is called as a list. Similarly, the same thing can also be stored in the tuple. A list is indicated by square brackets and a tuple is indicated by round brackets. So let's start with the demonstration for list. Now friends, if I say I have a list L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I print the list, we can see it is a collection of items. Now these items need not be compulsorily integer values, they can be a collection of different data types of items. Now, how the list differ from tuple? For that, let me define a tuple also. So let me have a tuple with exactly the same contents. The only difference in between the two as of now is the first one is indicated by square brackets and the second one is indicated by round brackets. The second important difference in between the list and tuple is that lists are mutable in nature. Mutable means something that is flexible in nature. That is, the contents of the list can be changed. So now if I say that I want to make L of 0, which is currently nothing but my 1, if I want to change this value, maybe equal to 222, and now I print L, I can see that the 0th index is changed to 222. Let us do the same thing with tuple. So if I say I want to make T of 0 equal to 222. Now as I told you that lists are mutable in nature. Mutable means they are flexible and therefore the contents was changed. Whereas if we implement the same concept in tuples, you can see that we are getting a type error. Now this is because the contents of the tuple can never be changed. So that is the basic difference between the two data types. Lists are mutable or flexible in nature, whereas tuples are immutable in nature. So with this, we end this presentation. Thank you friends. Thank you for patiently listening to me.